Yeah, guys, welcome to the another edition of the Arbitrage business. Like I said in the intro of this video, that this is an experiment. Okay, so if you're actually going to join me into this, please be careful so that you don't waste your funds. Okay, because this video is not going to be as detailed as the previous one that we did on Payuna. Okay, so if you have not watched the first video on our arbitrage business, please you can go and check it there. I'm going to leave the link in the description of this video. You can see the link here. Just one day ago, and that's 1.2k views. And I must say a very big thank you to everybody that's sharing this video to their loved ones to learn one or two ways that they can use to make money online. So in today's edition, based on the recent comments that I have gotten from the first video, I decided to try to solve this problem for people asking me how can I use paper for arbitrage, and how they can create a paper account that works in Nigeria. But in this video, I'm just trying to look for a way that paper can be used for arbitrage business, because since people find paper funds easily than they'll find paying a fund, because not everybody has the freelancing skills I have to generate funds from Upwork. Okay, like currently now I have over 300 and something dollars to withdraw to do my arbitrage business, and not everybody has this potentials like I have now. So I decided to use this way to find a way if I can show them how to use paper for their own arbitrage business. So this day I remember what we discussed in our last arbitrage video. Please don't ask me questions on this video if you did not watch our last video. Okay, remember that in our last video we said that we're going to have the Aboki account, okay, and we have three accounts in our Aboki wallet. We have the US account, we have the pounds, and we have the euro. So in this paper arbitrage, I'm going to use my Aboki account, because our Aboki can withdraw straight to our Nigeria account with high rates. Okay, so I'm going to connect my Aboki to my paper, which I've already done that. Okay, I'm sorry, I cannot really undo it to do it back, because paper is very strict than Payuna. Okay, so that is, I've already linked my my paper to my my Aboki US account. Okay, so you can see it right here. This is the community federal savings, and you can see right here I cannot transfer money from my paper to my Aboki account. My paper I cannot withdraw to my bank, and sure paper is not available for Nigerians. Okay, this is a Dubai or United Arab paper account. Okay, maybe in the next video I'm going to show you how to create this type of paper account. Okay, that can send and receive a GNS, but it has its own limitations. I think the limitation for this one is over $3,500 per year. I think so. But there are ways to increase the limit by verifying your account. Okay, and I'll still go deep into this research. So for now, I just want to test if truly I can withdraw my paper funds from my paper wallet to my Aboki account. So after linking my Aboki, my Aboki wallet, I will now go to transfer, and you can see it clearly here that they have a $3 fee, okay, for withdrawing my paper funds to my Aboki wallet. So without minding that I'm still going to withdraw, okay, $3 fee, I have just $39 for this trial. So even if I make the money or I lose the money, I'm okay. Okay, so I'll go on to the next. But when I click on next, then this is it. They will take 3% of the fee, and that's okay. Next, let's see if they are going to withdraw it to my account. Let's see. Okay, they're going to send me a text message to my phone number. Okay, let me go my phone number. Despite it's a US, the Dubai account, they send me a message to my Nigerian phone number. There's a way I do it. Okay, so I show you how to get it done in my next video. So do subscribe to this video to get more updates like this from me. 582516. Continue. Alright, confirm. So let's see if they're going to send this money straight to my Nigeria bank account. Let's see that. Okay. What we have here, paper, okay, $32.62, community account standard. So I'm going to get $38.43. So that is not too cost for fee. Still nice. So if I can get this into my Aboki account, then I can actually sell this dollar at the rate of what? Let me check their booking rate for today. I can actually sell this dollar at the rate of what? Wow, 565. So I can go ahead to start paying out paper funds at what? For the 400 naira to 500 naira, even up to 510. Okay, I'll still make profit when I send to my bookie wallet. So let me send it to my bookie wallet and see. So if this thing goes well, oh my god, if this shit goes well, I'll start buying paper funds. Okay, but I will have to also be careful not to get my account banned. So please, this is a test. I'm just trying this out for the first time. Okay, so that's why it is not as detailed as the first video we did on Payuna, okay, which is a complete A to Z arbitrage business. Okay, so this is a test. Let me say an experiment, and there might also going to be another video on paper arbitrage that's going to complement this one if the research definitely went as planned. Okay, so they have sent me a mail that we are transferring your money from paper to your bank. You asked to transfer 38.43 USD from paper to your bank account, and we are processing it now. It usually takes 1 to 3 business days for a transfer like this to go through. So you should see the money in your bank account by February 7th. Because so that is just it. I'm not gonna wait for until I get this money into my Aboki account. So I don't really know what, when, or I don't know the exact time it's gonna land in my account. But I think they say 1 to 3 business days. So let me just refresh, maybe a little magic for me. So let's see. So if this actually goes through, oh my god, if it goes through, then I'm going to start buying paper funds again. Okay, because paper is very strict when it comes to arbitrage business. So I think I'm done here. Okay guys, so this is just gonna be where I'm gonna pause this video currently, okay, and wait until I receive these funds into my Aboki wallet. So we're going to track the time or how long it took for people to transfer funds from what my paper wallet to my Aboki wallet. Okay, then we're going to test. So let's wait until they transfer this fund. Let's know how many days it's going to take them. So this video is going to be on the records. Okay, I'll keep it safe to know how long it cost them to send this money to my Aboki wallet. So I'll be able to withdraw to my bank. All right, let's wait. Alright guys, remember the paper video we did, okay? It actually landed in my wallet today, right? It came in today. So it cost today, just say less than 24 hours, okay? It actually took time, okay? Remember, you can see the time it came in. Let's be very sure of it came in at okay, you can see it here, 4 p.m. right? 4 p.m. February 3rd, that's when it came in, and we applied for it for this withdrawal by the time of let me check the other mail to see when we actually applied for the withdrawal. I think it's on paper. Let's go to paper. Alright, we applied for this on 2nd of February, okay, at 2 you can see right in my screen. We apply for this withdrawal at 1, let's call it 2 p.m. February 2nd. So let's say it took us 24 hours for our funds to appear when we are withdrawing with what? Dollar. And I actually did the same thing. I withdrew $50 from what? From my Upwork account, okay, to this means I withdraw the same $50 from my Upwork account to direct to my pay Aboki, which is not gray account, okay, and also it came the same time with this particular one, which is from paper. All right, so you can see the two withdrawal here. So I'm not going to go ahead to withdraw. So you can see it now is in my USD account. So you can see this thing, the balance. I mean, let's check it. It's supposed to show. Let's go home. Okay, you can see it right here. Okay, you can see the current conversion rate for the current conversion rate is 570 per dollar. So I'm going to sell this my dollar now at what? 570 naira per dollar. Wow, that's big, right? So this is one of the benefits of what for arbitrage business. So I'm selling my dollars now 570 per So that is just it. So I'm going to do this thing again. So you see, so you can see the incoming alert here. I want you to be very sure that this is all it's done. I sent in $50, okay, and they took just $0.5 and they gave me $49. And yeah, so see that sending $2 to your Aboki account direct without going through PayUna actually is very cheap. It's very cheap. You can see that the fee is very low. And remember that this is not just ordinary withdrawal. I'm using ACH withdrawal. Please take note of that. I'm using what? My ACH withdrawal method, not wire. Okay, if you use wire withdrawal, if you use wire, they are going to cut $50 from your funds. But if you use your ACH voting, they'll take just 1%. So that is something that I want you to understand. So you can see there are 1 year. So you can see the 1 year that is stated there. So you also need to check from the place you are sending your funds from to ensure that you are using what? Your ACH, not your Swift, okay? To avoid getting overcharged. Alright. So after that, I'm now going to withdraw these funds now to my what? To my Naira account. So I'll just go to USD, I go to swap, okay? I pick my Naira account and I put the amount of dollar, which is 7.55, right? And then you can see it, I'm getting 49,400. Wow. I click on continue, okay? And they are going to charge me just 35 Naira, and then that is going to be sent to my account. So I'm not going to get a message from by this thing. You can see it here. Transaction was successful. They have sent the money from my account at the rate of what? 5.17 Naira per dollar. So now that you have watched the part 1 of my arbitrage business, the part 2 of my arbitrage business, and this is the part 3 of my arbitrage business experiment, you can see that there are now different ways you can get dollar for yourself. Through Upwork, through PayPal, through PayUna, so many ways. Okay, guys. So there's no limit. I will keep on giving you updates whenever I get new method of getting withdrawals to your Aboki account or withdrawals to good. Okay. So just share or subscribe to the channel and stay up to date with my latest experiments. Okay, that I do, because I use my money to do the experiment, and sometimes it takes me days for me to complete a single experiment. For this particular video, it cost me 2 days now to just ensure that I was able to get the accurate data from whatever I do. So I'm not telling you things based on fiction, but things that I have tried. I know what happens and what the process that it goes through. So this is just one thing I need to understand. So this fund are going to be sent to my account directly now, and this is just going to be the end of the part 3. So if you have not watched the part 1 or the part 2 of my arbitrage business, okay, go to my YouTube channel, okay, and go there and watch it. And there are also other videos I have on my channel that teach you how to make money online. Consume them and make money for yourself. See you next time.